Hello childrens. Welcome back to my channel. Learn alphabets A to Z. A is for apple. A. B is for ball. B. C is for cat. C. D is for dog. D. E is for eggplant. E. F is for flower. F. G is for guitar. G. H is for hat. H. I is for igloo. I. J is for jacket. J. K is for key. K. L is for lion. L. M is for monkey. M. N is for nail. N. O is for orange. O. P is for pig. P. Q is for queen. Q. R is for rabbit. R. S is for sun. S. T is for turtle. T. U is for umbrella. U. V is for vase. V. W is for watermelon. W. X is for xylophone. X. Y is for yo-yo. Y. Z is for zebra. Z. Thank you for listening. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.